Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sidra, your Pakistani girl in the USA. Today's video is all about proven online hustle strategies in the US. So let's dive right in. Step-by-step guide to proven online hustles in the USA. 1. Freelancing. What and why offers services writing, design, programming. Marketing on Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com. Steps: identify and list your marketable skills. For example, writing, design, closing parenthesis. Create polished profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr. Set competitive rates and apply to jobs. Start small to gather reviews. Then scale rates. Manage finances. Keep track of platform fees and budget for taxes. You must file self-employment taxes. If you earn $400, website, app testing and surveys. Platforms, user testing, user interviews, Swagbucks, prolific. Steps: sign up and complete qualification tests. Participate in site, app reviews or surveys. Earn typically $5, $30 per test, plus survey payouts. Withdraw via PayPal once you meet thresholds. Content creation steps. Find your niche and understand your audience. List your passions and strengths. Vlogs, educational content, lifestyle tips. Then validate demand. Using Google Trends or TikTok search. Define your ideal viewer. Age, background, pain points, goals. Using polls or surveys to gather real feedback. Choose your primary platform. Focus on one or two platforms. YouTube, long form videos, flash tutorials. TikTok / Instagram reels. Short form viral content. Blog / newsletter. Deep dive. Articles, Substack, Medium. Build your personal brand. Define your brand identity. Tone, style, visual theme, colors, fonts, logo, and a memorable tagline. Ensure consistency across platforms. This clarity grows trust and recognition. Create a content strategy and calendar. Define 3 to 5 content pillars. For example, online hustles, cultural. Tips, vlogs. Set a publishing rhythm. For example, 1 to 2 YouTube videos week and 3 to 5 TikToks, reels. Use a calendar tool, Google Sheets, Notion, Trello, and batch produce content to stay ahead. Assemble your toolkit, basic gear, smartphone, or entry-level camera, ring light. Tripod, lav mic. Create, edit, and publish. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds and structure. Content with clear value. Problem solution call to action. Use captions for accessibility, especially on short formats. Thumbnails titles are crucial. Make them attention grabbing with clear keywords. Engage and build community. Reply to comments and DMs promptly. Ask questions. And host Q&As or live sessions. Collaborate with creators in similar niches to expand your reach. Analyze and optimize. Track performance, watch time, retention, likes, shares, subscriber growth. Review monthly. Identify top content, posting times. Audience demographics, then tweak your strategy. Scale and diversify monetization. Affiliate links, brand deals, and sponsorships are common early sources. Add revenue streams, course creation, merchandise. Paid memberships, Patreon, Substack, Ko-fi. Join platform monetization. YouTube AdSense, TikTok, IG. Creator funds. Stay current and ethical. Keep learning via industry. Blogs, webinars, creator. Economy grows till $500 billion year. Embrace new formats. Live shopping, video podcasts, real life meetups. Affiliate marketing and digital products. Steps: build a blog, niche site, or social channel. Join affiliate networks, Amazon associates, share as a closing parenthesis. Create honest review content. With your affiliate links. Write ebooks or courses in your expertise area. Promote through email lists, SEO, collaborations, virtual tutoring, and online teaching. Choose your teaching format and subject. Decide subject and learner. Level K-12 academics, math, science, English, test prep, SAT, ACT, languages. Professional skills. Teaching model, 0.1-1 live tutoring, personal and flexible. Group classes, courses. Scalable and efficient. Pre-recorded courses. Passive income via platforms like Udemy. Pick the right platform. Or go independent. A marketplace platforms. These offer built-in student bases and scheduling. Payment tools. Cologne.tutor.com. K-12 and college help. Established since 1998. Tech enhanced classroom. Tools. For independent tutors. Or custom lessons. Platforms like Lesson Space, Classin, Wisik, LearnCube, Big Blue Button, Zoom, Google Meet. Microsoft Teams, Canvas, and Schoology offer video, whiteboards, breakout rooms, and LMS integration. Set up your infrastructure. Technical setup. Internet is greater than or equal to 25 Mbps. Recommended. Consider wired connection and mobile hotspot backup. Curriculum and lesson planning. Curriculum design. Clarify. Objectives. What students will learn. Timeline. Deliverables. Use or build materials. Platforms like Preply and Udemy offer templates. Independent tutors can use Canva, Quizlet, Powtoon. Get students and market yourself. Platform profile. Craft day. Compelling bio. Highlight. Qualifications. Add an intro, video, and rates. Organic marketing. Share testimonials. Sample. Lessons. Project educational. Content via Instagram, YouTube, and local groups. Pricing and payment. Rates vary. $10 to $15 per hour for general tutoring. $20 to $25 per hour for K-12 academics. $30 to $40 per hour for niches like test prep or languages. Deliver quality lessons. Engage from the first minute. Use hooks. Personalize content. Structure sessions. Intro gives. Teaching gives practice. Gives. Summary gives action steps. Use visual aids and real time. Tools. Whiteboards. Docs. To enrich lessons. Collect feedback and improve. Ask for reviews. Testimonials. Use them in profiles. And marketing. Review sessions and adapt. Materials and teaching tactics. Upskill new certifications. Methods or tech to serve. Clients better. Scaling your tutoring business. Group classes. Host workshops. Or study groups. Pre-recorded courses. Sell on Udemy or Teachable. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Steps. Use tools like Shopify. Or Amazon MERCH. Select products or designs. To sell, for example, t-shirts, printables. Set up store and integrate. Supplier/shipping. Launch ads on social. Media and SEO. Fulfill orders and reinvest profits. Summary. In today's gig economy, there's no shortage of ways to earn real money from home. Or on the side. Key. High impact. Hustles include Cologne. Freelancing from writing and design to marketing and web development. Skilled professionals can earn $500, $5,000 plus per month through platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Content services. Freelance writing can scale from a few hundred to a median of $83,000 a year. Combining it with social media management can pull in $1 to $5,000 monthly. Print on demand and digital. Products. Sell custom designs, planners, templates, or courses. With low startup costs and passive income potential. $100 to multiple thousands per month. Affiliate marketing. Promote. Other brands via blogs, YouTube, or social media. With trust and niche targeting, earnings. Can range from $500 to $10,000 plus monthly. Online courses and tutoring. Teach subjects, languages, or skills via platforms like Udemy, Preply, or Chegg. earning $12, $50 plus hour, and even passive income through courses. These hustles are profitable, flexible, and accessible with startup costs often limited to a phone, laptop, or creative time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.